Hey family, it's Cooked by Jess here today, and today we're gonna be making some cheesy garlic bread. So the first thing you're gonna do is to go in with 3/4 of a cup of warm milk. Next, you're gonna go in with 2¼ tablespoons of instant dry yeast. Next, you're gonna go in with 1 egg, 1/4 cup of unsalted softened butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, and a teaspoon of salt. Whisk this properly till it's fully combined. After everything is fully combined, you're gonna go in with your all-purpose flour. We're gonna add 3 cups first, and if we need more, we're gonna add more. I'll be using my hand mixer to mix this, or you could mix this with your hand, or you could use your stand mixer. Honestly, to me, sometimes this hand mixer is also as stressful as mixing with your hand or kneading with your hand. The stand mixer is just the best thing, but I do not have it yet. But I'm gonna have it soon. See that? So before I knead it, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of flour. But can you see what the dough looks like? We didn't need to add more flour, like I said. If your dough isn't sticking to your counter, you do not need to sprinkle so much flour on your counter, right? You just need a little. Flour makes your bread dry. Too much flour makes your bread dry. The first time I actually made bread, I think I put a lot of flour and it was so ugly. Like it was so hard. I'm done kneading and this is what it looks like. When you slap it like this and it sounds like that, you know it's ready. You're gonna place this in your bowl. Before you place it in your bowl, you're going to grease it a bit so that it doesn't stick to it after rising. You're gonna place your dough. Put more olive oil. This is what it's looking like. Wipe my hands. So now you're gonna wrap this with some clean foil or towel. This is going to keep it warm, right? So we're going to pop this in the oven with the light on, and then we're going to leave it there for about an hour or more if you want to, but I'll say an hour is okay. While waiting for your dough to rise, you're gonna roast some garlic, some fresh garlic. I'm using about 6 to 8 cloves of garlic. Drizzle some olive oil or vegetable oil in there. You're gonna roast this for about 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. It's time to make our garlic butter filling. All you need is 1½ sticks of softened unsalted butter, your roasted garlic, fresh parsley, and some garlic powder. You are also free to add some oregano leaves or any fresh herbs of your choice. Give this a good mix and set it aside. Our dough is ready and this is what it looks like. Yeah. So now it's time to roll our dough. Yeah. I'm going to spray some oil on the surface. I don't want to use flour because I do not want my dough to be too dry. It doesn't need to be rolled too flat. So the next thing you're going to do is to spread your garlic butter mix all over this dough. Right? Smack it first. Then you spread it generously. Keep spreading this till you're satisfied. Next I'm gonna do is to sprinkle some cheese. I'll be using mozzarella cheese for this, but please feel free to use whatever cheese you're comfortable with. This is not pre-shredded cheese, so actually learn to stop using pre-shredded cheese. Please shred your cheese in your house. I'm gonna put about I don't know. Yeah, this is fun. So now we're done sprinkling our cheese and it's time to cut it, right? You're going to cut it into 3, right? So that's 1, 2, and 3. You're going to cut this into about 9 squares. Well, I'm going to stack it, right? Right. So yes, this is my baking dish and I'm going to grease this a bit with our butter. No, let's go in with the back that has no cheese on it. It's ready and this is what it looks like. What we're gonna do is we're gonna wait for it to rise. It should probably fill up like this remaining space. So we're gonna cover this with some clean foil. I'm going to pop this in the oven and turn on the light. and leave it there for about 30 to 40 minutes to rise again. So let's do that and come back later. This is what it looks like after 30 minutes. I told you the space was gonna fill up, right? So I'm going to pop this in the oven to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. 25 to 30 minutes actually. Ready, and this is what it looks like. It looks so good and it smells so good. Brush some of your melted butter mix on this and it's ready to go. So it's taste time, guys. So let's taste this and see what it actually tastes like. Before I continue, I put on my lip gloss. We don't want any dry lips here. This tastes so good. So if you're a lover of cheese, garlic, and bread, this recipe, this food here, is for you. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Mwah.